Hello guys and welcome to Henry channel. In today's video I will show you how to enter BIOS configuration settings and boot menu option for a Dell Latitude E7270. Right, as you can see, this is the model guys. So okay, let's begin. So power on the laptop. And now keep tapping the F2 key, guys. Yes, the F2 key. So keep pressing it down. I will zoom in this key. So we have now entered BIOS. See, look, Dell Latitude E7270 model. So from here, you can change system settings accordingly. Right, I will exit, now enter boot menu options. So now restart the laptop and keep tapping the F12 key, guys. Yes, the F12 key. So get ready now, just before the logo starts. So let me zoom in this key, guys. So this is boot menu option. This is how it looks like. Any external device will show up here. Okay guys, I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.